PolyWorks AR 2021 offers a built-in mixed reality solution for the assembly guidance of fixtures and jigs that makes the operator's task easier than ever. Launch the Build Inspect mode within PolyWorks Inspector. Then you'll be guided by a mixed reality display in front of your eyes. First, organize your visual environment by resizing the DRO hologram and placing it in the optimal location. Then, start positioning your fixture components precisely with the help of intuitive holographic arrows and annotations. Control your complete assembly process without ever having to go back to your computer. With PolyWorks AR 2021, bring the next level of assembly guidance to operators on the shop floor.